tarantula content for tarantula lovers.
Hello everybody, welcome to this latest episode. I am your host Robbie and this is Robbie's Talking Teas. Tarantula content for tarantula lovers, just like yourselves. If you want to be a better tarantula keeper or just admire these amazing animals, make sure to subscribe to the channel, comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. In today's episode I'm doing an unboxing. I'm receiving a parcel from the spider shop in the post, and in that contains a couple of species I got. As you may have seen in the last video I did, the D medius and that jumping spider that I rehoused that I wasn't sure of the sex, it turned out it was a mature male. So I contacted the spider shop and they said when they both was passed away, when they was both dead, we'll send you replacements. So that's what we're unboxing today. So let's show you what we got. So here we have it. The box has arrived, just arrived, so I'm going to open it up. You can see in the background actually we're being watched by my T Sturmy, which is right here, which recently molted. There it is, getting a drink. We've also got the Phomictopus Northwest Hispaniola just out chilling. We've got a few more sitting there. That is T Vargans. And there's my Aphonopelma Johnny Cashy. Oh my god, everyone's out today. Grammostola porteri, Aphonopelma simani, Calcodes. Yeah, everyone's out. But anyway, let's get this box undone. In here are a couple of bits that I knew about. I've ordered some micro mealworms for all my slings. There's a couple of other bits in here that I do know about, but there's a couple of bits that should be here to replace what died in the gimp box. So I'm guessing that's what's in here. Now let's just take these out. That's the micro mealworms that I ordered for the little baby slings. Let's check if there's anything else in here. No. So everything that Spider Shop have sent out for me should be in here. Now I can see the word gimp written here. So we're going to find out what's in here. So first up, oh wow, Brachypelma Smithy. I haven't got a Smithy, so having one of them in the collection is absolutely awesome. I was thinking of ordering one of these, so I'm really happy to have that. Or I ordered this myself, H. spinifer. This is a Asian forest scorpion. This is a little spiderling. Do you know what, the light's a bit too bright in here. Should I turn this off just so you guys can see it a lot better? That's better, you can all see a lot more. The next gimp, P. gigas. I'm guessing that's Pseudoclomoris gigas, which has recently had a name change, so I'm gonna have to look that up on what the name change is. I did read it the other day, 6 to 8 centimeters, but that's awesome. I've got a female, but hopefully this one's a male, so we've got the breeding pair. Then the next one up we have got C. darlingi. Always happy to have darlingis in the collection. I have got 3 or 4 of them now, but I can't complain about that. Is there anything else in here? No, it doesn't look like it. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Let's get them rehoused. So let's start this rehousing video. I am going to start with the B. Smithy. I'm really excited to have this one. It says it's 2 to 3 centimeters. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick it Next to me I have substrate. So I'm just going to put substrate in the vial that it came in, like so. I'm going to open this up, and there is Brachypelma smithii, not to be confused with Brachypelma homori. There are subtle differences between the two, but maybe I'll do a video of that later down the line, the difference between Brachypelma smithii and Brachypelma homori. I think you guys would enjoy learning about that. So I'm just going to put him inside this little vial. I'll let him or her burrow down inside here and get comfortable in there. Then maybe once this molts out again and puts on another bit of size, I'll rehouse it. The next one we're going to do is C. darlingi. This is a 1 centimeter sling. So again, what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to pop this out, put some substrate in it, enough for it to burrow into, as you can see. And then let's open this up. So I expect this to be teeny tiny. Oh yeah, I can see it right down the bottom. Oh no. Oh no, it's another DOA. Oh. Well, that's annoying. Unfortunately, it happens in the post. But I can't really complain to the spider shop again about a DOA. Let me just pop it. Yeah, it's definitely dead. Oh, poor little thing. Sorry, buddy. I will still tell the spider shop there arrived DOA. Unfortunately, the post is a day behind. These were supposed to arrive yesterday. But with the train strikes, I don't think there was any post being sent about across the country via train. So a lot of post got held up, and this is a day late. Oh, do you know what? I'm just gonna, just to make sure, I'm just gonna spray this, give this smithii some moisture, some water, so it can drink. So if it is a little bit dehydrated, it should be just fine. But I feel really bad for that darlingi. But for the purpose of this video, I do have to move on with the next rehousing, which is going to be this little H. Spinifer, Heterometrus spinifer, the Asian forest scorpion. It is going in this little container here. Let me just stick some substrate in there, because these guys do like a bit of a burrow, a little bit of a dig. But I'm also going to give it a little piece of cork bark to hide under. And this is an Asian forest scorpion. They're not deadly. They're not. Their bark's worse than their bite with these. They like to put on a show and try and act all mean and tough. Look at him. But at the end of the day, they're really not. They are a gorgeous species. Now, come out onto your cork bark. Here you go. Straight under there. Nice rehousing. So lastly, we are going to be rehousing Pseudoclomoris gigas, the orange tree spider. And I did say this has had a name change, but I haven't yet looked it up. I know it has changed names recently, so I'll definitely post that up on here, what the name has changed to. And this is the only one in the whole delivery that could honestly give me a few problems. These are bolty and very feisty is the only way to describe it. I know that from my other female that I've got in the collection. She's very feisty, and she does like her food. Now, I am struggling to get this out, and I am gonna really take my time with it, because I don't know where she is inside this paper, and they can be very bolty. Oh, I see toes. That is her booty right there. So hopefully I can open this up. Now apparently she is missing limbs, so that may mean that she's a lot easier to house and maneuver inside this enclosure. So what I think my best bet is to try and get that from here, and maybe just try and guide her down into the cork bark tube, just so she goes straight down inside, because I don't fancy having her on the loose. See, she's throwing up a flat posture. I did tell you these were a bit ornery, and they do have an attitude. Now my one seemed to calm down as she's gotten older, but as a juvenile, that's not to be messed with. So yeah, she is a little bit angry, but I do need to get this tissue out. So, while she's being a stroppy little teenager, I'm going to gently do that. There you go. Pseudoclomoris gigas. Again, I will put the new name up on the screen for you, as I haven't looked it up yet. So that's the rehousing's done. Like Meatloaf said, 2 out of 3 ain't bad, but in this instance 3 out of 4 ain't bad, so I'm going to leave it there. So there you have it, some more awesome species added to the collection. I'm really excited about that Brachypelma smithy, growing it up and eventually doing that video where I compare the differences between that and the Hamori. Unfortunately the C. darlingi was DOA, but that sometimes happens. I'm not going to complain about it. The Spider Shop, they've been great. They sent out replacements when they didn't have to, so I'm just going to have to take the loss on that one. Speaking of the spider shop, if you're going to place an order soon, make sure to use the affiliate link I post down in the description. I do get a very small percentage of the sales made, but what I'm doing with that is I'm using it to fund buying breeding pairs so I can get slings out into the hobby that are captive bred by myself. Now all that's been said, all I have to say is have a great day, have a great week, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you can't wait till then, there's 2 here to enjoy. Take care.
Tarantula content for tarantula lovers.